Welcome to the 10th week of Quality Management. Click on the weekly modules content area. Next, click on the Module 10 course summary to date to begin. This week will be a summary of what we have learned so far. So for the assignment summary, you're going to review this video, review chapters 1 through 8. For your assignments, you're going to have the peer-to-peer discussion, and you're going to be submitting your quality improvement project part 3 this week. Next, we have the peer-to-peer discussion, quality concepts learned to date. We are over halfway through this course on quality and performance excellence, and we have learned a great deal about quality organizations, process, controls, methods, tools, continuous improvement, Lean, Six Sigma, so on. For this assignment, following websites that are provided. Find an article that interests you, read it, and answer the following questions. What search term did you select, and what is the web link to the article that you selected and read? Write a very brief 3 to 5 sentence summary of the article. How have you seen this article content play out in your work or personal experiences? What does the information found in this article contribute to your understanding of quality and performance excellence? And step 5 is to reply to at least 3 other students. Next, we have the Quality Improvement Project Part 3, Summary and Recommendations. Obviously, you should have started this weeks ago. This is the week you're actually going to submit it. You can submit it to this assignment link if you want, or within week 6, it's up to you. That concludes the video. Have a great week.